Assalamualaikum and welcome to howtoanswers.com. Today we will see how we can migrate our content like posts, comments, likes, dislikes, everything to our newly created WordPress website from blogger.com. So you can see on the screen that this is my blogger.com website. I have multiple posts over there, so I want to transfer these posts to my newly created WordPress website. So for that, I'll log into my blogger.com account. As I log in, you can see that there are multiple posts in my account. I have some in my drafts as well, so there are a lot of posts that you can see over there. So what I'll be doing that I'll go to settings option. Under setting option, I'll be going to manage blog option, and then under manage blog, I'll be clicking on backup content. So once I click on backup content, I can download a file, XML file that is required for um, migrating this content to my newly WordPress website. So this was done mistakenly that I click on import content. So just ignore this because we don't need to import any content. We just want backup of our already existing content. So we will just backup our content using the backup option. So you can see that I have click on backup content and download the XML file, and I have placed it in download folder. You can paste it everywhere where you want because this is the required file that we'll be using for migrating our content, all content, to newly WordPress website. So it's done. Now we'll move to our WordPress website that we have, and we will log in to it using the credentials that were given by domain owner, or if you have installed WordPress yourself, then you should have that credentials with you. So just log in using that credentials into your admin WordPress admin site. So let's see what we'll see after the login. Once I have logged in, I can see my dashboard in the WordPress website. So here I'll go to tools. Under the tools, I can see import option. So I'll click on that. Under the import, you can see there is blogger top on the top. So I'll install the installer to import the data from the blogger website. So once done, I'll click on run importer, import blogger. Then there's an option of choosing files. So I'll be choosing the file that I have previously placed in my downloads folder. So I'll just go to my downloads folder and I'll choose that XML file. Once it is chosen, then I'll just upload and import. I'll click on just upload and import button. So I'll wait for a while until it's getting uploaded. So yeah, it is uploaded, but it is asking for the user because there is no username with 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲, and I have just admin user over here. So instead of creating new user, I'll be using that admin user, and I'll just click admin and submit because both posts are mine. So no issues, whatever the user I'm choosing. If you want, you can create a new user as well with the name that you have already in the blogger.com. Yeah, once submitted, let's wait. Yeah, it's done. It's saying that everything is imported. So now we'll verify by going to the posts option, because I have just hello world post that is by default post in the WordPress, except that I don't have anything. So let's see, is there anything in my post section or not now. So I'm going to all posts option. So here you can see there are a lot of posts over there. I can see multiple posts, so it means that my data is copied with multiple categories as well. Obviously categories are different, so I'll be managing that later. We can add and delete categories, so there is no issue. Main issue was our posts, comments, and likes and unlikes, everything is over there right now. So now I'll move towards my WordPress website so that you can see its UI as well, how it is looking. Obviously it will not be up to mark as I want, because I have not set up anything. So let's see, but post should be there. Yeah, you can see that a lot of posts are there now, because there was just hello world post before, and there are a lot of categories as well showing over there. So no issues, I'll be setting it up later, because theme is not adjusted right now. So I can't see anything in the product reviews or restaurant reviews, because there was no blog or anything in any of these categories on my blogger.com, that were just under multiple categories. So I have to change their categories to get them placed here. So everything is on home, so it's good enough, because we have successfully transferred our content from our blogger.com to WordPress website. You can see that we haven't used any third-party tool, or we don't need anyone's help. It is pretty simple task. You can do yourself. Just we need XML file, and then we can upload it from the tools option. Hopefully you like this blog, and if you want that there should be more videos on different articles related to WordPress, you can let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, do give a big thumbs up, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned, because the next upcoming video will be for migrating your WordPress website from one domain to another, because there's a huge demand of it, and that is also simple task. I see there are a lot of people who are telling about third-party tools or third-party plugins that we can use for this, and they obviously cost. So I'll let you know the way that you can do without using anything. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, take care, love.